Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a personal finance and investment book that emphasizes the importance of financial education and provides insights into building wealth. Here are some of the important points covered in the book. The author had two fathers, his real father, referred to as Poor Dad, who had a traditional approach to money, and his best friend's father, referred to as Rich Dad, who had a different, more entrepreneurial mindset. One of the key differences between Poor Dad and Rich Dad was their approach to money. Poor Dad believed in working hard for money, while Rich Dad believed in making money work for him. The author emphasizes the importance of financial education and encourages readers to learn about money, investing, and personal finance. He argues that traditional education does not provide enough financial education to be successful in life. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of acquiring assets, which are things that put money in your pocket, rather than liabilities, which take money out of your pocket. He encourages readers to focus on building assets, such as real estate or a business, rather than accumulating liabilities, such as expensive cars or a big house. The book discusses the concept of cash flow, which is the money that comes in and goes out of your life. The author encourages readers to focus on creating positive cash flow, where you have more money coming in than going out, and avoiding negative cash flow, where you have more money going out than coming in. Kiyosaki also discusses the importance of taking calculated risks and being willing to fail in order to learn and grow. He encourages readers to have an entrepreneurial mindset and to think outside the box when it comes to making money. Finally, the author emphasizes the importance of taking control of your financial future and not relying on others, such as employers or the government, to provide for you. He encourages readers to be proactive in building their wealth and to take responsibility for their financial success. Overall, Rich Dad Poor Dad provides valuable insights into building wealth and achieving financial success through education, asset acquisition, cash flow management, risk-taking, and personal responsibility.